Alright guys, so before the video begins, hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps us out. What's up guys, we're back here with the 2016 BMW 428i, and today we will be talking about the RaceChip tune that we have on the car. So there are three different kinds of race chips that come for this car. You have the S, the RS, and the GTS. So on this car, we have the GTS Black, which adds 47 horsepower and 66 pounds of torque. So it is mounted right here. This specific one has 7 tuning maps, and it goes from 1, which is the most eco-friendly, to 7, which is the most aggressive setting.
So on this side with the little RaceChip symbol, it's how you go down, back from 7 to 1. And then right here is a little plus symbol. And you just press it as many times as you need to get up to the 7th most aggressive tuning map. Alright guys, so with this RaceChip, in the box comes of course the brain of it, the RaceChip GTS Black. It also comes with a wiring kit for your engine, 360-degree fixing clips, stock plug, and fitting instructions. It also comes with cable ties. So everything you really need to install it, nothing that you need to get from the store, just goes and mounts right there on the side of your engine.
Alright, so now we're gonna go for a drive in its first setting and see how it feels.
I'm actually interested. Should I put it in sport or should I just put it in normal?
I think you should just put it in sport. And then we'll test the 7th setting in sport too.
That's kind of weird. I feel like it doesn't pop as much. Maybe it does.
Alright, so now we're in the first tuning map. We're gonna do a pull and see how it feels. So we felt a little bit of a difference. When we head back, we're going to change it to the 7th stage, 7th setting. So just to show you guys, it has 7 tuning maps, saves you up to 20% miles per gallon, brings a 2-year engine warranty, 1 reprogramming if you change your car, and it has a warm-up timer. Alright guys, so now we're going to change it to the 7th setting, 7th tuning map, which is the most aggressive one. It's pretty easy. So all you do is pop the hood, open it up. It's kind of dark, but press the button all the way up to 7. And there you go, you get more horsepower. So let's see how this compares to setting number 1. I think it's going to feel more powerful, more aggressive. Those are my thoughts. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's definitely going to feel more powerful. It's going to feel aggressive.
All right, let's go. All right, guys, so this is the 7th tuning map, or the 7th setting, and here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I feel the difference for sure. So we felt a difference there. It pulled a lot harder. We're gonna do another pull just to make sure and to see that it is actually performing a lot better. Alright, so the first pull was in the first setting, which is the most eco-friendly. And the last 2 pulls we just did, that was in the 7th setting, which is the most aggressive. Honestly, we felt a difference here, pretty big difference actually. For a piggyback tune, I would recommend. I would give it at least a 9 out of 10. All right, guys, thank you for watching the video. Hit the like and subscribe button. We will be making more videos soon. We actually just ordered the XLR pedal tune, and we'll be doing an install and review on it. So thank you for watching.